All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So when I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max in the green color, the Alpine Green, I bought a couple of new cases. I mean, I could have reached out to companies, but I said, I want to support the companies that support me, and Ringke is one of them. So I actually went to the website and I bought two cases. Now, I bought my favorite here because it's one of the ones that I use on my S22 Ultra and all devices pretty much. It's the Onyx. Comes in the same packaging here. The Onyx is really nice because it's thin drop protection with just serious grip, man. If you want a case that has grip, the Onyx is one of them, and it's thin enough to where the wireless chargers can get through the plastic or whatever, and it's got nice soft touch on the sides to be able to get the case on and off, and then you've got like these little bumpers in the corners inside of there for drop protection. A little pattern in the inside and some soft touch right here to help protect the back of your device. But then when you flip it over to the rear here and on the sides, grip. Just grip out of this world. You've got a little bit of Rinkge Onyx branding on the side. You've got these little bumper feet on the back of this case. And this is the case itself, man. This case, and here it is for the S22 Ultra. This is just the way the case is done. It is a fantastic case. So I'm going to clean up my device here. And we'll try it on. And again, this case does work with wireless charging because it's just a thin sheet of plastic. But once you get it on the device, oh boy, it is absolutely great. It really brings this device to life, and it gives it what it needs for grip and sliding around on tables, sliding out of your pocket, anything like that. If you're worried about it, this is a case that you could definitely take a look at. Gives it the strength it needs for something. It's just the way it feels on the device, it completes it. It's just really nice. So the next case I bought, I've actually never had this case before. This is the Fusion Plus. And when I saw this, I was like, that's totally worth it. Two cases for under 25 bucks, folks, is a killer deal. So this case, I got it because it's clear. Now, I normally would get a frosted case, but I grabbed this case because it has the bumpers and everything that you can put in here. It's got the white bumpers or the orange bumpers. And I'm going to do the orange bumpers because, the device is green. And I thought that was pretty cool. So you have these little bumpers. I think this is really neat that you can kind of design the case the way you want. And the little bumpers go in the corners right there. I think they just kind of snap in place like that. And that looks really nice. It's going to look really nice with the green. And I just think that's going to be so nice. And with the device being clear, I think the orange little bumpers show off the phone, and it shows off the drop protection corners that you create. Now, isn't that cool? So we're going to go ahead and take this off. And then you see you get two sets here, white and orange. And again, I'll have links to these down below. But I wanted to get a clear device because I wanted to show off the color of my device. This is Apple's latest device, and I thought, you know what, why not? I like that they have the pull tabs now. Remember back in the day, if you've been rocking cases long enough where manufacturers didn't have those? Oh yeah, folks, look at this. This is great. Beautiful. That is how you do a phone. This orange with this green is absolutely great. Again, I normally would have a frost case with this type of clear, and I don't even normally buy clear cases, but I saw this one and I thought, oh man, I gotta get this. You get to show off that beautiful green color, and you have these orange accents on here on the outside, or white if you do white, to show exactly where the drop protection is on the corners. Now this is obviously a clear case, so everyone is afraid of the yellowing effect that happens on clear cases, but I think companies now guarantee that it will not do that to you. And I think it also depends on your environment and where you're at using the device. So on here, and I actually do have a tempered glass on here, by the way. I have a tempered glass on here. So it's obviously, it'll work with other companies' products. It has like these little indentions in here with the drop protection. That is super cool. And the corners are really beefed up. I don't know how well it comes across on video, but the corners are really beefed up. So if you drop this, and I have dropped this phone before, It was just in a case though, thank goodness. I dropped my blue one too. But you know, yeah, it is just going to be really nice to actually have this beautiful. Let me see if my joint works. Yeah. Directly on the phone it works, but not so much. You need a MagSafe case for this to really stick hard. But if you're not going to hold it around, it looks like it's holding up. I use this daily. But nonetheless, it's your man Jay. 2 cases from Ringke. Again, I decided to support the company by actually spending my own money that they support me by sending me lots of cases. But I'll leave links to these down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.